What's going on, everybody? Chinedu here. In this video, affiliate marketing for beginners, I'm going to show you what I feel is the right system to set up an affiliate marketing business. Before we get started, three things. One, like this video. Two, subscribe to my channel. And three, bang on that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I have a very special bonus for you. So let's get started. Now, a mistake I see many new affiliate market beginners make is to spam their affiliate links all over social media, hoping somebody will click by chance and buy whatever they are promoting. You know what? It doesn't work that way, and they get frustrated and they quit. That is why you should look for a system that will allow you to build a business and a brand for the long term. Affiliate marketing should be looked at as a long-term business and not a get-rich-quick exercise. The system I'm going to show you allows you to build such a business, a long-term brand, and is the same system I've used to build a six-figure affiliate marketing business. The system is based on the concept of a sales funnel. And here you find what we call a marketing or affiliate marketing funnel. So the components are your traffic sources, a landing or opt-in page, a bridge page, which then takes your leads to the product or service. And if they buy, you receive a commission. So this is how the system works. And I will go through the steps one by one. So these are your traffic sources. I've used TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. You can add like your email, Quora, or Medium as other traffic sources. So you drive all this traffic to your opt-in page. The opt-in page only has one purpose, and that is to collect some form of personal information, which tends to be an email address. So when your leads opt in, you connect an email autoresponder service to your landing page, which collects an email address. That allows you to set up a series or sequence of emails that can run sometimes up to years. And these emails go out at intervals to your leads. And as you can see here, you direct them back to your product. And most of your sales will come from your email list, because most of the leads who opt in here do not buy your product. However, most of your sales will come through your email marketing. This is why setting up your email marketing system is critical to the success of your business and should be done from day one. Now, there are several email marketing software. I use ActiveCampaign, and I'll leave a link in the description below to a free trial of ActiveCampaign. So next, your leads will then come to a bridge page. On this page, you are going to pre-frame your audience. Usually you have a video that talks about yourself and the product, trying to get them to receive some more information on both yourself and the product to gain some trust. And if they then buy the product or service you're offering through a call to action, you get a commission. So this is how this simple system works. And the beauty is once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. Your leads will come in. Some will go through the system and buy. Others will enter your email list. And some will buy subsequently through your email list. So once this is set up once, it just runs on its own. To run this system requires a funnel building software. I use ClickFunnels, and I will leave a link in the description as well to a free trial of ClickFunnels. I will now show you how this system works in real life with the affiliate marketing funnel. I use to run my business, and I'll show you right now how this works. For those of you used to using ClickFunnels, you will be familiar with this back end, which shows my two landing pages, which I can split test. So I can use them 50-50, which means they show half of the time. Or like in this instance, I'm using this funnel 100%, and I will show you how this landing page works. So I'm going to click on Edit Page to bring up the landing page. And I'll click on Preview. So here is my landing page. All my traffic will come through here. So there's some description, a photograph of myself. There's a call to action button, and a second call to action button there. So if you click on that, it takes you to the opt-in page, and I'll show you right now. So when you click on the call to action button, this pop-up appears, and you put in your name and your email address, and you click on that button, and that email address goes into my email autoresponder service, which is ActiveCampaign, and I'll show you how the automation works. Once they put in their email address, they will come to this bridge page, and like I said, there is some heading and a video of myself where I talk about the opportunity, and I talk about myself. And then as you can see, there is a call to action button there, some more text, some videos for social proof, and then a second call to action button. Now, clicking on that will then take your leads to my affiliate link. So you can see how an affiliate marketing funnel works in real life. Next, I will show you my email automation in ActiveCampaign. So the leads that put in their email address on that landing page will be tagged and enter this email automation for email marketing. So you can see on this automation, there are a series of emails. You see the series of emails going out after 4 hours, there, after 2 days, 3 days interval, 1 day. So these are all emails that are set up. And like I said, you can set up this email sequence running into a year or more than a year. And these emails will go out automatically as programmed. And you can see in this automation, you have somebody queuing for 4 hours, 6 waiting for 2 days, 38 waiting for 3 days for the next email, 37 waiting for 4 days. So all these are leads that have come through the funnel I showed you, and they go to this automation without me having to do any more work. Some of these emails will have links to certain products, and many will purchase through your emails. So going back here, you can see that once you set up this system, all you have to do as an affiliate marketer is to drive traffic to your landing page, because everything is automated and set up. You just drive traffic. Right now, I'm using TikTok as my main traffic source. And if you go to my TikTok channel, you will see a link in the bio. That link takes leads to this landing page, and then they enter my email automation, some will buy. And this is all it takes to run an affiliate marketing business. Once this is set up, it frees you time to just market and run traffic. So your training as a new affiliate marketer is on skills, high income skills like copywriting, lead generation, how to present and make sales. So you try and learn those skills, because your main job is really about marketing. And I will leave a link in the description below as well to the best training available today if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing. I promised you a bonus if you stay to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you what it is. Now, you can get my affiliate marketing funnel, the one I've just shown you. You can get it complete with all the email sequences and all the scripts to do your video. You can get it all packaged, and all you have to do is copy and paste the whole system, and you can start running your business straight away. So here you can see clone my high ticket affiliate marketing business, and this is the link that will take you to the system. Clone my high ticket business.com/welcome. If you click on that, it takes you to the whole system, which I will show you right now. That link will bring you to this page, clone my high ticket affiliate marketing business, step by step and click by click. So you follow that down to a call to action button. So you click here to get access to the tools. You put in your name and your email address and click get instant access to everything. That brings you to the second page, how to clone my high ticket affiliate marketing business. There'll be a video of me telling you about this bonus. Step 1, you join the online business builder challenge here. This is where you get your training to learn the high income skills and marketing skills to run your business. It's a $7 program. And then here you create your ClickFunnels account, because you need a ClickFunnels account to download my funnel. And the next step is to click here, and this funnel, which I've just shown you, will download straight into your ClickFunnels account. Here you get the script to prepare your bridge page video. So you get the script for the video on your bridge page. Next, you create an active campaign account. Again, if you have an active campaign account, all you have to do is click here, and my email automation will download into your active campaign account. If you're not using active campaign, then you can copy and paste the email sequence. It's a Google document that allows you to copy and paste the whole email sequence. You have to modify them in your email service. So you get a whole system. All you do is copy and paste, and you're up and running straight away. So this is the bonus you will get. And I will also leave a link in the description below to this bonus. So here again is the link, clone my highticketbusiness.com/welcome. Now, thank you for staying to the end of this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also bang on that bell, so each time I drop a new video, you get a prompt notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video, where you'll get some more value and some more content to help you with your business. Thank you.